Alright, here she is, 302 swap. Nissan Hardbody, first test run. Bed mounted radiator, Buddy's decorations in there. Let's see how she does. Try to get out of this little neighborhood here. See if I can let her eat. Had a little trouble with the transmission TV pressure. Hopefully it sorted itself out. I think it's leaking at the pan again. We had a little pressure spike, but we just want to get it out here and see how it does. Make sure it's not overheating. Got the fan on. Make sure the transmission will shift under load. Seems to be doing all right, but we'll see once it gets some real pressure. Looks like the radiators had different thoughts. Could just be stuff burning off, but you really don't want to risk it too much. Turn around in here. Oh, it's just that stuff burning off there from before. I had a lot of coolant. Still want to play it safe though. Tell you what, it feels like it's got some damn torque to it, that's for sure. Seems like it's shifting a bit earlier than I'd like, but that can be adjusted through the governor.